Now, I also want to clean my brayer. And protecting my brayer and prolonging its life are very important. One thing to always remember is once you use your brayer, to make sure that it's face up and not face down. This is a very soft surface and you don't want to damage it or dent it by leaving it on its head. Therefore, face up, always making sure the soft element of your brayer is not being damaged in any way. Now when I want to clean it, the brayer is very special. It can't take any other, alcohol or Simple Green or any of those cleaning products. I wouldn't even use these baby wipes. For this, we're going to use baby oil and simply getting rid of the ink. By here, another very important tool for the studio is an old phone book. These old phone book pages are excellent for getting rid of excess ink on my brayer. They can also help me with my other tools that I'm going to use for inking to get off excess amounts of ink. And then what I'm going to want to do to clean off my brayer completely is to add a little bit of oil onto this paper towel or rag and use that to clean my brayer surface. Keeping these brayers in good order and clean is definitely going to prolong its life and keep your brayer working for you through your printmaking process. All of these materials do require a lot of care, and it's one of the reasons why printmaking is considered tedious and involving a lot of process, because there is quite a bit of cleanup as well as a lot into making the block of wood. However, I do believe that the marks that you can make and the things that you can do with printmaking are well worth it.